Hello there, welcome to this video. Okay, in this video we'll talk about how to create an Android plugin for Godot. Okay, so I have created this blog post already. Here is the official documentation, so we'll follow this official documentation. Okay, so there are lots of details, so I have kind of summarized it by combining some details and that kind of thing. So yeah, so first, to create an Android plugin, you should have Android Studio installed, and you don't have to worry much about Godot. We can simply use the stable release of the Godot. Okay, so let's get started. I'll simply show you how we achieve that. Okay, so we start a new project. Let's select the empty one. Let the name be whatever we want. Let it be, yeah, okay. Now it's about the path. We can choose anything, but it should match or at least should be less than uh, this minimum SDK. Okay, so since I'm targeting minimum SDK 19 and target is 34, my plugin should at least target minimum SDK less than 19 or less than or equal to 19, and target SDK should be greater or equal to this. Okay, so yeah, so that's how we choose the minimum or target SDK. Let's simply finish that, so it will set up the project for us. So after that we create that, and yeah, it has some details about how we have to create a library, add some dependency, that kind of thing. So first thing first, we have to convert we have to either create and the module. We have to either create, okay, turn the Godot engine, follow this instruction, create an Android library. Okay, we have to either create a library. Okay, there is this instruction. We have to either create a new library, or we can convert an existing app. Okay, so I want to convert the current existing app. So what we can do is we can simply change in the build.gradle. What we have to do is change this application to be area library, remove this app id. Since I have some latest 34, so I'll simply change it here as well. So first thing is this. Okay, so we have to remove this application and change this to library, and remove that one here. Okay, so it was something like this, so we have to kind of convert to library and remove this application id from here. Okay, so after that what we do, we'll simply sync now. Okay, now then we have to existing app. We remove the reference from project label build.gradle. Okay, in this project label build.gradle, yeah, it has the reference to this. Okay, so this application, since we have already removed it, let's simply remove that line as well. So let's sync again. After that, what we have to do is we have to download a library. Okay, Godot library, and place it in the path where we want it, when we need it. So let me just download that. I think I already have it, so let me look for it. Is the pause? Okay, yeah, I have already downloaded it. It's somewhere here. Okay, so while preparing the blog post, I have created this repository. I simply copy it and place it inside, I think it was this essential to inside application, inside lib. I'll place it there. So let's go back to the blog. So download it and rename it to something like this and place it in the libs. Okay, so once we place it in the libs directory, we have to add this as a dependency. Okay, so let's go to the Android Studio, in the build Gradle, in the application label build Gradle or library label. I have to simply edit here. Okay, just like that. Now I think we don't need that material one, so we can simply remove that. And yeah, that's it. Next, what we have to do is we have to kind of create a class that extends from Godot plugin. Okay, so to do that, I'll simply follow this article, so this post, so it will be easy for me. I'll simply name it Android Essential, and let me create a class Android Essential class. Okay, and it have to extend from Godot plugins, right? Control C and Control V, plugin. Okay, so I should have been auto suggested, but since we haven't already synced it, so if I sync it, and I think I'll get that suggestion. CLD, no, I haven't. Android Essential never used, so let's check it again. Product left, yes, this should be here. Let's try to sync it again. Extends Godot. I don't know what's, I can't find that. Compound dependencies. Compound dependencies. Yeah, it's here inside libs. It's inside libs. Apps libs int age. Just to cross check the file name. 353. Yeah. So what happened here? Close this file. Extends Godot. Essentials, cancel, extends, Godot plugin. Okay, yeah, I don't know what went wrong there. Probably some kind of crash or something. It wasn't loading. So yeah, since we implement it, let's implement some methods, and let's implement the constructor. Okay, so get plugin name. Okay, let's check back. So yeah, that's it. We have created that file. Next, what we have to do is we have to update the Android manifest, something like this. So yeah, this is the replaced one. This is the placeholder that Godot documentation suggested, and this is the real one. Okay, so that we can use, I mean, based on your project. So since I'm using that same project, I can simply replace it. What we have to do is, okay, I can replace the whole file. Control C, Control V. What we have to do is simply org.go.engine.plugin.v1 and name of the plugin, and the Android Essentials. So the package name and the class name. Okay, so I think I have updated it to Android Essentials, and this package shouldn't be there. Okay, yeah, I think I have to update my blog post here. Yeah, that's it about the Android manifest. So next is since we don't use any of these resources, we can simply remove these. Delete. Okay, and that's the setup. Okay, so that's the basic setup. Okay, whatever your plan is, so just simply create the project and convert it to the library, and you have to kind of create a class that will act as a main class and use that class name along with the package name in this Android manifest, and give this name the name of your plugin here. Okay, so these are the important thing. Whenever we use this plugin on Godot, it will reference using this name. Okay, so let's for this project we'll simply use a simplest possible thing that Android can do, that is showing a toast. So what we can do is simply include all those things, and yeah, so I have done it. Okay, so that's the Android part. So let's build it. Hopefully it will build. Let's hope that there's that gradled UI. Okay, 1993. Okay, build successful in 7 seconds. Okay, so if we check it, we are into to app build and outputs ARR. Okay, so here is the Android ARR. Okay, ARR. Okay, so let's use that. To use this, what we're gonna do is simply open our Godot. I have already created this one using for that previous repo. Okay, so let's simply open that. Yeah, there is a simple control, and there is click me, just a normal button. What we have done is in ready, we'll check engine has singleton Godot Android essentials. Okay, so if it has, it will simply assign that to this variable. So, and whenever the button is clicked, we will want to show this one. Okay, and for that one, first we have to install build Android build tool. If you haven't already, then in the export, kind of edit if you haven't already, and choose the Android one. So check mark on the use custom build and check mark on Android Godot Android essential. Okay, to get this plugin here, what we have to do is okay, so this project is on where is it? Home, Android Studio project, learning Godot. Okay, here is Godot app. Okay, so in this Android, whenever we install that Android build tool, it will create this Android folder in our project. So after it's been created, what we can do, okay, I think that's this file was also added into the git repo. I'll remove that, and inside there is this plugin one. So we have this generated ARR, so we'll place the ARR, rename it, and we'll create this GDAP. I think there is some name for it, what it was, Android Godot Android plugin configuration. Okay, GDAP Android plugin, whatever. So what we have to do is we have to kind of give the name, set the binary type, and give the binary the ARR. Okay, so once we have these two here and created this GDAP configuration file, we can start seeing it on the export. We can choose it and run it. Okay, so I can show you my Android. I don't know how to share my Android screen, but so I have enabled it, and I have chosen the custom build. I have connected my phone, so if I try to run it Now I have to build it. We can see, we must be able to see this in Android one. Okay, so just if I can see this file, we'll say that's done. Okay, so and okay, it's opening here. And yeah, Godot.Android essential is found. So, and whenever I click on this button, hey, this message is from Godot, I got that message. Yeah, I got this message on my phone. Okay, so I've attached the screenshot here as well. Is it? Yeah, that's it. So it's a simple walkthrough of this this blog article. Yeah, let me know if there is anything I can help you with.